So here we are with the walk around. So I like that stance a lot better. It's level. No more jackrabbit in the rear. I added about, let's say 30 pounds of fuel, a little bit more than 4 gallons. It was almost out, so I can add another, 50 pounds of fuel maybe? If you didn't know it, gas is about 7 pounds per gallon. It is not finished. It is not mine. I am building this for a friend because I can. This is the first Fiat I've ever restored. If I can do it, you can do it. The only thing I can't show you is the rear license plate light thing, because it's still a secret. It's about as far as I can go. I got it parked in the shade. Dark cars look better in the shade. Oh, this is what's left to do. That's missing. If you want to replace it, you got to do it from the inside. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to make something for it. This wood grain veneer, it polishes up pretty good. Hit it with some pledge. It'll look all right. I did paint those armrests black. I painted the edge of the coin holder black to break it up a little bit. Some odds and ends there, here. Then we'll be ready to give it back. That aluminum radiator looks good back there. I'll take you on a tour on the underside of the car also. I'm kind of proud of that. Last time it was inspected in Texas, and that's not 2000, because they ride on the back. It is 12/6 of 89, so it expires 12 of 90. It's all the original interior. Just cleaned it up, fixed it up, put it back in. See how far I can go over here. Y'all take care. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.